Hello everybody, it's Colin here, and in this video I'm going to show you around in the Peerfly affiliate CPA network. And this is one of the US based networks, which is very famous and one of the easiest platforms to get started with. So let's have a look. So this is their homepage. Join the fastest growing affiliate network in the world and watch your profits soar. Start earning today. So once you click on that, it takes you to the sign up. They currently have 3,199 offers to choose from. Well, they have some information here about the Peerfly network, and there's the popular brands they're working with. This changes: Uber, Fiverr, Booking.com, McAfee, Target. You just saw some other ones as well. So testimonials, and then just the inside look. But we're going to have a look at that as well, and this is from their blog, and that's everything on the homepage. But let's first have a look at the blog. So here you just find some updated information. I usually read through this once a month. As you can see, they don't post that often, like once every month, maybe twice a month. It's almost every time it's the same person, but usually you also get these by email. So if you want to check it out, you can go there. And this is the FAQ. So I just want to get the payments out of the way, which is one of the most important factors. As I said before, this is one of the easiest platforms to get approved for, which I recommend you sign up with Peerfly if you're just starting out. So when will you pay me? We offer timely net 30, net 15, and even weekly payments. You have to check with your affiliate manager. The more you earn, the faster your payout you get, obviously. Some offers on the Peerfly network have the requirement that you have earned at least one payment before you can be approved for that offer, which obviously is because they have a higher quality monitor on that specific offer. How will you pay me? You can request payment via PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon gift card for the US, Payoneer, which is obviously really nice. So a lot of affiliates who are like from countries like Pakistan, India, they have issues with their payment methods of Western providers. Payoneer is a huge beneficial for both parties. It's at like really low cost. So if you want to use that, it is possible. Obviously, you can also get paid in Bitcoin, which is like funny. And all of the other ones, the questions, I will link in the description box so you can check them out. So basically that was the blog and the FAQ, so let's dive into the dashboard. So this is what it looks like. Let's just start on the right hand side where you can see your name, your code, what you've earned today, the open balance, and what they've paid me. As you can see, I've not worked with Peerfly before. Why not? Because at the time where I applied for Peerfly, it was actually my first network to get approved for like 10 months ago. They didn't have as many sweepstakes as they have now, so it might be interested to have another look. Your affiliate manager is right down below. Her name is Sadie for me, and you can see your recently viewed campaigns down below here. The top offers are in the top left of the screen, and you get the blog post links again on the top right. Recent payments, you have not received any payments. That's what I just said. The latest offers, so here you can see all the new offers and the highest converting offers based on conversion rate. Well, if an offer has like 72% conversion rate, it's probably not that many clicks. And the highest EPC per offer, you can see lots of Bitcoin offers and the recently paused offers. So these offers are not available as of now. And then here you can message your affiliate manager. If you press this, it will open your email software. If you press this, you will go into your report section. So if you press dashboard, this is where you end up. And when you press offers, you can see you can browse all the offers, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to have a look at the different verticals. So yeah, what I noticed is this is quite annoying. When I'm on a normal computer, this doesn't happen, but I'm on an iMac right now, and this is like in the screen, super annoying, but I don't know how to get rid of it. Let's just have a look at the verticals. So as seen on TV, well, these are all the verticals. They have tons and tons and tons. Basically all the verticals you can think of, from insurance to sweepstakes, from health to adult, as you can see at the bottom, it's all represented. However, sometimes they might not have as many as they only have like 3,200 offers in the platform compared to a platform like ClickDealer who has like 50,000 offers perhaps. It's a smaller network. If you look at the countries, you can actually see what's funny, how many offers they have per country, which is quite nice. And in the entire list, you can see the most dominant one is the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada. As you can see here, Belgium. It's basically the Western world, which has the main offers for this platform, 210 in Germany. However, as you can see, tier 2 countries are also represented, and even some tier 3. So if you're interested in that, you can also check out Peerfly for those kind of things. Banner size and the traffic methods. If you're running one form of specific traffic, which has to be allowed, you can select it here. And also you can do an advanced search. So based on payment, based on lead, everything you like. But that's not something we're going to do. We're actually going to grab an offer from the email and SIP submits. So these are usually your sweepstakes offers, Huggies sample. Let's just click that one. And as you can see at the top, you see the payout, earnings per click, conversion rate, and the type is lead. This means it's mobile optimized, as it says. And here's your affiliate link. Converse on first page, email submit upon completion of the purchase requirements, which says on the landing page. So they tell you what is allowed and they tell you what is not allowed. So obviously don't do anything which says here, because either you will not be paid or you will be banned for the platform, which is not recommended, obviously. So if you press this, it should load the lender. Perhaps it might not show because you need a VPN, but actually this one shows. So get your very own Huggy diapers, and then you just have to enter an email, and once I enter the email, the pixel fires and you get a lead of $1.60. So that's how this works. That's how the offer interface looks like. If you go to the commission offers, there you will see, these look like memberships, recurring commission I see here. I don't know actually, to be honest, what's the difference between these commission offers and normal offers. These are featured offers, 122 offers. You got featured offers here as well, which is obviously the trending ones. They have a little bit of text here as well. But if you want to get into this, like the difference between these two, just ask your affiliate manager. The new offers here as well. And obviously, if you have a good offer on another affiliate network, you can request it by clicking on offer request. So the fun thing about Peerfly, what I thought was funny, is they have a monetization aspect where you can actually build different banners and have them rotate. So even if you're doing like a display on a website, you can just have banners rotate one after another. You can use pop unders, which is a topic for a separate video, which I'm going to do, but Peerfly allows you to make custom pop unders using the script. You just place it on your website, which is, I think, really, really cool. And obviously, like most affiliate CPA networks, they have the smart link. And as you can see here, you can see how the smart link converts per country. And this is something you might want to consider if you run pop traffic. So in the tracking domain section, you can create custom tracking domains. You can add a domain. You can see your domains. Not that interesting. And if you go to payments, there you'll have an overview of all your payments, your fees, and you can export it to Excel. You can also see the schedule. So if it's like net 30, net 15 or weekly, sometimes it might differ per offer provider. So in the payment schedule, you can actually see the total overview of when you're going to get paid from which offer. You can set up alerts meaning reaching caps when offers are going down, all email alerts recommended if you're running high volume. You can see cash flow. If you click cash flow, Peerfly has a lending system. I do not recommend you to use this, as interest can range from 5 to 25%, and lending always costs money, which is not recommended. Even if you can make more money, you shouldn't look into this as a beginner. If you're more advanced, you could have a look at this, but I wouldn't recommend this. If you go to resources, there's like frequently asked questions, the blog again, the Facebook group, which is also quite nice, split test link, apps, basically everything you might want to have a look at, which if you're something which is setting up and it's not working, you contact your affiliate manager. If she's not available, you might want to ask it in the Facebook group. If you click referrals, you'll see all the people you've invited to Peerfly. And as I will do for you, as I usually do, is I will leave a link in the description down below. You can join Peerfly through this link and you'll be signed under me. And you can obviously select a global postback. So if you're using a tracking software like Bynum or Volume or any of the other big tracker softwares out there, you're going to place your postback here. And if you don't know how to do it, your affiliate manager can help you. So that was basically everything about the Peerfly platform. They have almost every available vertical in a lot of different geographical locations. And as I said before, this is a great platform for beginners. The affiliate managers are super helpful and they're really patient if you don't have that much experience. So as I said before, if you want to sign up for Peerfly, there's a link down below. And also there you will find a like button. So please like this video for me if you enjoy my content and stay tuned for more CPA affiliate marketing videos. Thank you.